So I am near the Washington Monument in Washington, D.C. And I have been running through this wonderful city, which is the U.S. capital. And, compared to other great cities, this particular city has a sense of almost rural, relaxed nature, which I think is very American. Even the White House, which I visited earlier on my running, looks like an open country house, which is really interesting because now, of course, we have many big cities in the US, most notably New York and possibly also Chicago and Los Angeles. But the fact that the US capital is such a rural place is really interesting to observe, and I think this has a really wonderful connotation for the American. Oh, there's something going on, I think, towards the Lincoln Memorial, because this is a Veterans Day, and I think people are paying respect to the veterans. Maybe I will take a shot there. So I think that was apparently a ceremony for the Veterans Day. And from here I can see the US Capitol, the Parliament.
1, 2, 3, foot down. What do you think you are, Daddy? Okay, come here.
So this rural nature, real relaxed and,
Come here. Ready?
very down-to-earth approach to building the capital, I think is very American, and which remains very much true even today. As I said, there are many bright big city all over the US. So it has been really, wonderful insight to come here, such an inspiration for how we can organize society and so on. And the flags in 50 states. So with this very awe-inspiring revelation, I keep my money in the US capital of Washington, D.C. Wonderful city.